How you guys doing? Welcome to Prince Sneaker Care YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be showing you how to use our new steam cleaner that helps us clean shoes and get them back looking in pristine and perfect condition. And then we also are going to show you guys some of our plastic shoe trees and wooden shoe trees. We're going to show you the wooden shoe trees when we're done, and the shoe cleaner that we have right here, some of Prince Sneaker Care shoe cleaner. Oh wow. And yeah, so that's basically what we're going to do today. So let me show you guys exactly how we use these materials and these products to clean our sneakers. We're going to go ahead and put in the shoe trees. And we're going to take out the laces. We're going to get some Prince sneaker cleaner, and we're going to go ahead and put some shoe cleaner up in here. Alright. And now we're going to go ahead and lay down the towel. You can lay down a bigger towel if you want. But we always just lay down a nice little towel, you know. There we go. And we get the cleaning. So first we're gonna start off with the shoe cleaner. The shoes are a whole lot more cleaner now. We still have a little bit of spots to get in here. That's nothing. But they are a lot cleaner already. All right. So let's go ahead and now we're going to do the detailed cleaning of this process and get these little nicks and crannies really clean, because the drill brush don't really get those areas. So this is the time where you get your towel and you really go to work. So we're gonna get a fresh towel and we're gonna go ahead and clean the, the little nooks and crannies. We're gonna clean the creases of these shoes, like around these little sides here. Yeah. All right. And now we're gonna go ahead at the midsole. Now, with the midsole, it's not gonna take out all the dirt. You have to apply a little bit of pressure, but that's where the steam cleaner comes in, right? A lot of these things are not going to come out just by you. I mean, you can get off most of the dirt. Don't get me wrong, you can get off most of the dirt, but there's a step that you have to take in order to get these midsoles clean, right? So now you already done did your part with the midsoles and in the little areas right here. All you needed was a rag. Bump. So now this is the part where you're gonna turn on the steam cleaner and get the cleaning. All right. And we're gonna add water. All right, so the steam cleaner comes with multiple brushes. I'm gonna show you guys each brush it comes with. It comes with a big brush. It comes with a smaller brush, and it comes with a bristle brush. I'm trying to get it out. Right, as you can see, the bristle, the big steam cleaning brush, and then the smaller steam cleaning brush. All right. So in order to really get the pressure you want to clean midsoles of a shoe, and also keep in mind that it's going to clean the shoe laces, the threading between the shoes, because with the dunks and things like that, there's threading between. So I'm gonna give you guys before. You guys seen how the midsoles look before, still kind of dirty, but we're gonna get them cleaned up now. So we're gonna add this attachment on there, and now we're gonna turn on the So in just that fast, you can already see the difference. You can already see the difference. So as you guys can see, right, we have the wooden shoe tree in here, and we have the plastic shoe tree in here. Now the plastic shoe tree is good for when you cleaning sneakers, all right? The wooden shoe tree is good for when you're storing sneakers. As you can see, the wooden shoe tree doesn't have those creases all up in them like the plastic one does.